So probably one of the major attractions on Vanishing Island is actually the amount of sand dollars that are here. And this is a great terrain. For some reason, the sand on Hilton Head is very hard packed, and sand dollars don't prefer it. They actually prefer to be in a softer, looser sand, and they love Vanishing Island. I mean, love it. When we come out here, we see hundreds of these things all the time. These are two prime examples of what we'll find out here. The one in my left hand is alive. You can see the color of the shell is completely different, and you actually see the little cilia moving around on it. If you hold it too long, it's actually going to turn your hand yellow because of the iodine content in it. This one, in my right hand, this is one that is passed, and you can actually see the skeletal position of it all. There's the mouth, and up on top of the little star shape right here, that's actually where the siphon is at, the pump. That's actually how it filters water and sand through its body, actually creating itself out of the actual sand that it's living in. Very fascinating, and a huge hit with all the kids and everybody else that comes to Hilton Head and comes out with us in Vanishing Island.